I open the window. I open the window.
I clean my room.
I
Clean. Clean. Clean my clean room.
I ride my bike. I ride my bike. I pour the milk. I pour the milk.
I put on my shoes.
I
Put on my shoes.
I catch the ball. I catch the dot ball.
I buy a banana. I buy a banana. I draw a picture. I draw a picture. I drew it. I check the time. I check the time. I feed the dog.
Let's repeat again.
I open the window. I open the window.
I clean my room.
I
Clean. Clean. Clean my clean room.
I ride my bike. I ride my bike. I pour the milk. I pour the milk.
I put on my shoes.
I
Put on my shoes.
I catch the ball. I catch the dot ball.
I buy a banana. I buy a banana. I draw a picture. I draw a picture. I drew it. I check the time. I check the time. I feed the dog.
Now let's sing a song.
Let's play! Look at me! We're dancing!
Penny pushes the colored glass to find the morning glow. Barney puts the checkered squares in rows that start to show. Milo spins his circle wheels around the striped tent side, while Pip holds the heavy jug with nowhere left to hide. Every movement, every day, the circus world begins. The magic of the morning where the sun always wins. The sun always wins. Glimmer ties her silver tight across the bedroom floor. Brick reaches for the colored sphere, then catches one more. Monty climbs the yellow hill to find a sweet prize there. Sparky draws the golden lines with crayon in the air. Every movement, every day, the circus world begins. The magic of the morning where the sun always wins. The sun always wins. Cleo watches the starry hand upon the wooden face. Ooh. Coda sets the blue dish down in this familiar place.
Look at me!
The sun is up, the time is right. The circus shines its golden light.
Now let's do the quiz. Who rides a bike? Option A. Brick rides a bike. Option B. Milo rides a bike. Who rides a bike?
Answer: Milo rides a bike.
Who draws a picture? Option A. Sparky draws a picture. Option B. Barney draws a picture. Who draws a picture?
Yes! Answer. Sparky draws a picture.
Who puts on their shoes? Option A. Coda puts on his shoes. Option B. Glimmer puts on her shoes. Who puts on their shoes?
Answer. Glimmer puts on her shoes.
Penny pushes the colored glass to find the morning glow.